Votie came in and had a full mouth smile makeover. Smile big, Votie.
Yes, I did.
Why don't you talk? Tell us about how awesome your teeth are.
I feel great. Never felt this good about my smile in my whole life. I had braces early on in my life, and it was okay, but nothing like what I have now. Compliments I give. I owe this man so much. I smile all the time now, when before I didn't smile. But feel, bite, chewing, everything's like normal. It wasn't even an adjustment for me. It just worked. So I'm happy.
You're happy and you're smiling again?
I'm smiling again. I had some broken teeth, missing teeth, played a lot of football, and that was pretty rough on my teeth. Sometimes I wore a mouthpiece, sometimes I didn't. So, I ruined a lot of my teeth.
How'd you find out about Dr. Frey?
Through a friend, because Zendaya's dad, he came in, got some work done, and then I saw him and I was like, what'd you do? And he told me about Dr. Frey, and that was all I needed. I had been wanting to get it done, but I didn't know who I could trust. I was all in. I made an appointment. I drove up from Sacramento.
How was your experience throughout the whole procedure?
It was good. I used to have phobia with the dentist, just nervous all the time. But this guy had the most gentle hands. The confidence was there, and that just helped.
But you were calling me golden hands.
Yeah, I had a lot of confidence in him, so my heart rate settled down because I knew who I was dealing with was the best, and he was. I was never in any pain, never any discomfort. I had no problem just putting on the music and letting him do his thing, and I was good. And that's how it worked.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm an artist. I'm left-handed. I've been doing dentistry for 30 years plus, and it's in my soul.
It's in my blood.
Yeah. That's what I am. I'm a dentist. So I just I did artwork for you.
I sell them all the time. I tell people all the time, you got to call this guy up.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Yeah. That's nice. Yeah, and on the subject of trust, that's one of the biggest things. And we always say, how do you trust us? We have the best technology. We invest in education. I'm constantly learning. This is a career for me. And we prove it to our patients when they walk in of how incredible the experience is. And patients learn to trust us just from that. And I'm so happy that it all worked out for you and that you love yourself.
He walked his talk. He walked the talk. It wasn't just talk. It was...
Right.
Yeah.
It's the real thing.
I brought my brother too. And my brother got his teeth redone too.
That's right. Oh my God, that's how it works. It just keeps going on and on. But yeah, the fact that Zendaya's dad referred you, that's huge for me and humbling at the same time. And so I'm just very grateful that you're here and I'm able to take care of you at the level that we did.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Lifelong, buddy.
Lifelong.